have conversation with Krish. Hey, 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 hey. What? No. What? No? See? It's telling no. Now again he'll shout. Hey, hey. Brilliant boy.